Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger green chutney. Start with fresh ingredients for the best flavor. We'll combine vibrant cilantro and refreshing mint with a kick from green chilies, ginger, and garlic. A squeeze of lemon brightens everything up. Then, we'll add a pinch of cumin, black salt, and a tiny bit of sugar to create a perfectly balanced, irresistible chutney. This simple blend is the only way to get that authentic taste for your burgers. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to blend. Simply toss the cilantro, mint, chilies, ginger, garlic, and spices into your blender. Add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to help it along. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Avoid overblending, as we want to maintain that fresh, bright green color and robust flavor. Now for the crucial step, tasting and adjusting. Take a small spoonful and assess the flavor. Does it need more tang? Add a bit more lemon juice. Craving more heat? A tiny piece of green chili can be added. If it's too thick, a few drops of water will help. The goal is a perfectly balanced chutney that enhances, not overpowers, your burger. Your delicious burger green chutney is ready. Spoon it into an airtight container and refrigerate it. It stays fresh and flavorful for about 5 days. This vibrant chutney is the perfect accompaniment to any burger, adding a burst of fresh, zesty flavor. Don't limit yourself. Try it with sandwiches, wraps, or even as a dip for a delightful culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.